So how does NingXia get to you? Now let's talk about the journey that NingXia took to get to your doorstep. It's hard to bring something sacred from China all the way to the United States. Young Living founder D. Gary Young was in search of the fountain of youth, the plant that was eaten that helped people live well into their hundreds. He searched in all corners of the earth. His journey is chronicled in a book called NingXia Wolfberry, the Ultimate Superfood. Gary found that people living in the NingXia region in China had exceptional lifespans and something in common. They were nibbling on this berry, making a tea out of it, and drying the fruit and eating it. He took the berry back to his lab in the United States, and thus the journey of the red berry made it to American soil. Once Gary found NingXia, it took 7 years to get it past customs in the US and get it formulated. It started first as berry young juice, just the juice. Then it was reformulated to include the peel and the flesh of the wolfberry fruit. Now let's talk about some science behind why NingXia works. Here are 7 quick reasons with simple explanations. The science behind why NingXia works. Reason 1, antioxidants. 1 ounce of NingXia red equals 2 pounds of wolfberries. There are 17 or 18 species of wolfberries, but only NingXia wolfberry has the ability to deliver all the micro and macronutrients that are bioavailable to the cells of your body. Antioxidants play a huge role in aging, memory, arthritis, inflammation, and so much more. Oxygen radical absorption capacity, ORAC, is a method of measuring antioxidant capacities. Presently, the highest antioxidant on the ORAC scale is vitamin E, which comes in between 800 and 1200, followed by blueberries, raspberries, pomegranates, etc. A combination of fruits together reach around 3000 on the ORAC. The ORAC score of NingXia is 27,300. Reason 2, acid to alkaline. In your body, you have alkaline acid. What creates disease? Acid. It breeds virus, bacteria, and fungus. When you keep your pH neutral, you inhibit growth of things you don't want in your body. Everything we eat converts in the stomach, which has a pH of 2.5. Wolfberry goes into the stomach and starts to break down as an acid, but the minute it hits the small intestine, it immediately converts back to alkaline. It's acid binding and alkaline forming. Only one other food does that, the lemon. Wolfberry is chemically structured to convert because of the amino acid trypsin, which is responsible for the conversion of amino acids in protein. Guess what NingXia is? It's an alkaline protein. It's the most perfect food that exists.